Hey, welcome. Let me show you what we got here. When we opened the Hippie Museum, my friends, the Big Brother and the Holding Company, we wanted them to start off the show, and they came out, and Heather did the art on this, and what a great show. And it's signed by everyone. This here is Seattle Hemp Fest. And it's for my friend Vivian McPeak that runs the Seattle Hemp Fest. And there's some really jewels in here, and we hope you enjoy this. I'll tell you a little bit of how hard it's been to make marijuana legal for you. This is another story book here, and this is Deadhead Stories. And they sent us this copy, but this is you, the fans, the people, telling their stories. Very unique book. Years ago, I was managing the Plastic Ono band, and I took Ken from the Plastic Ono band and a couple of others, and we went down the coast doing a little peace tour. And we just happened to actually be in Springfield at the Wildish Theater here, one of the spots we kicked it off. Great show, a lot of fun, and that's the original song. Taking this now, this is something really special. Mark Emery was the Prince of Pot in Canada, and they basically kidnapped him in international waters and brought him to the U.S. And imprisoned him because someone had bought seeds from one of his companies in the magazine, and so they said it was international transport. Well, really, he was just the wealthiest pot person in the business, and they wanted him out because they wanted to be, he was probably going to be prime minister. He was that popular. So when it happened, my friend David Peel called me up and he said, hey, we got to do the same thing that me and John did. Taking you back in history, John Lennon and David Peel held a show, a protest to get John Sinclair out of jail. And they were succeeded, it was successful. They held it at the Madison Square Garden. Well, so David said, let's do our own. So we put out an album together, a song that was all about this, Free Mark Emery. And this was the poster. And everyone that was there, from Quicksilver to all kinds of people signed on this. And it's an original Ann Cohen. And Normal Bean and the Artista Gang, right there. So that's a unique. We're not able to get him out of jail. He served his whole term. He's out of jail now and doing great. But this is a legend. And then I want to turn you on to, I'm part of the Brotherhood of Love, the original Love family, and all of us there. And I'm going to share, this is original Golden Sunshine blotter acid. And it's signed by the original Brotherhood. Here's another one, a different logo, a more modern logo. Brotherhood of Eternal Love. And a large one here. And then this is the other pattern of Golden Sunshine. And this was actually predominantly, you saw a lot of this. This was done quite a bit in this format here. And again, it's signed. And my good buddy George Walker, original Merry Prankster, we got one of him here. And then I want to take you this. Here is this t-shirt that went on the tour with us to the 50th Woodstock. And we used the King Tut on Acid CD. And all these places you see, that's where we did free shows for everyone all across America. And of course, you've got King Tut on the front. Road to Woodstock, 50th anniversary. And then we needed a t-shirt for the Hippie Museum, and we thought that was cool, so we got it different colors, and we had our pot leaf on the back and our Hippie Museum logo.